Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City. I am at Caesars Hotel and Casino. The brand new, well, it's been renovated about a year ago, I guess, but it looks spanking brand new. The renovated non-smoking King Centurion Ocean View hotel room. That's a mouthful. That video, if it hasn't been uploaded yet, it will be uploaded shortly. I'm having some internet problems, a lot of construction going on here at Caesars. So instead of working on editing videos, I'm going downstairs to do a slot pull. Come on along with me. Cross your fingers. So you may be wondering why I picked this music, and well, if the title didn't give it away, the title of this video, when I sit down to the slot machine I'm about to play, you'll know why I picked the music. Also, just a heads up, I'm not going to tell you whether I win or lose in this slot pull until you find out by watching, but I will tell you it happens quickly, more quickly than usual. And because of that, I'm going to pick up a pizza and bring it up to my room, and I'll bring you guys along with me, so just stay tuned for that as well. I walked around and found this Gold Run Gold Hills slot machine. Never played it before. Looks like a lot of fun. And of course, I breezed through those instructions, or whatever they call those, the game rules. So I really don't know what I'm doing, but I do know I put $200 in. I'm going to play $5 a spin. Let's see what happens. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And a shout out to Pac-Man, who found Cabby in my last New York City video, driving around New York City with Jeff in Little Italy and Chinatown. Congratulations, Pac-Man. By the way, that Driving Around New York City with Jeff series just started a couple weeks ago. It's only on the weekend, so it doesn't really interfere with the normal programming on the New York channel. These particular videos only hit the New York channel on the weekend, so they really don't interfere with my regular, weekday videos that you guys are used to. But it's a pretty fun series. I'm in the driver's seat, you're in the passenger seat. Please don't get crumbs in my car. We'll drive all around New York City this summer on the weekends and just check out different neighborhoods. So check it out if you want to. Like I said, I never played this particular slot machine, but it looks like a lot of fun, and well, a lot of you guys yell at me because I don't read all the rules and regulations before I start playing a machine, and quite frankly, they're like 50 pages long. You have to go through all these different combinations and stuff, and I just don't have patience for that. So I put my $200 in. I'm losing it really fast. Perhaps I deserve that, but I'm feeling lucky tonight, so let's see what happens. So it looks like I'm in some kind of bonus round, and there's a clock running, a 2-minute clock. Really don't know what I'm doing here, but I'm betting the maximum I can possibly bet. Have you guys ever played this machine before? If you did, leave a comment below. Were you lucky? Not so lucky? Let us know. As you guys know, I was never really a slot machine player until a couple months ago when I started doing slot pulls for the channel, and I've been pretty lucky as a matter of fact. And this one, like I said, caught my eye. Typically I don't play a machine like this, really cold like this. If I see something new, I like to try it out on my phone. There's usually apps that have all different kinds of slot machines, and you get to practice on your phone before you do it real time with your money. But like I said, tonight I just saw this machine and I wanted to play it. So it's only been about 4 minutes and my $200 has whittled down to pretty much nothing at this point. Oops, maybe I spoke too soon. I was down to almost nothing and now I'm back up to $52, so we'll play it and see what happens. I have a question for you New Yorkers who play slots, and I have a feeling that's the majority of you guys watching this particular video. Did you ever walk through a casino? I know everyone pretty much has their favorites with regards to slot machines, and I certainly have mine, and that list is growing as I do more and more of these slot pulls. But did you ever walk past a machine and say, this one caught my eye, I just want to play it. I might not know what I'm doing, but I just want to play a little bit and see what happens. Kinda like what I'm doing here. Or are you one of those slot players that sits down and reads all those rules and regulations and the combinations and all this other stuff before you put your first dollar into the machine? Or do you just wing it? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to know. Shakalaka, I just got a minor jackpot, which I know is at least $150, and I got some other stuff going on here. Let's see how much I won on this spin here. Wow, I've been told gold's a good investment, and well, they were right. Alright, so I started with 200, I was down to like 20 something dollars, and now I'm at 364.40. I'm gonna take this money and run. So what do you do when you won a little bit of money on the slot machine and you haven't eaten all day? Well, you treat yourself to a personal pizza. So I stopped off at Taza Cafe, that place that's open right across from the registration area in Gordon Ramsay's pub here at Caesars. It's really the only place that's open right now that you can get something and bring it up to your room. They have these ready-made pizzas. They're all ready-made, but they're not cooked. So they put them in an oven. They take about, 7-8 minutes, and you get a nice personal pie in, like I said, about 7 or 8 minutes, and you can bring it up to your room. Listen, I enjoyed my win. I'm gonna enjoy this personal pizza, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.